Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back on YouTube video and today I'm going to show you new video. Top 10 tips on how to attract a girl. All men have dreams about the perfect woman they want to date, but most men find it hard to get the woman of their dreams. Ever wondered why it is hard to attract that perfect woman? The secret lies in simple, practical steps. Most men already have an idea of what it takes to get her attention. The problem is that most of them either give up in the beginning or middle of it or make the least effort. So how should you make that move? Here are some tips to help you out. Number 1. Look good. Women are attracted to clean and well-groomed men. So, good grooming should be number 1 on your list. The market today has great products to enhance your masculine look, which include skincare products, eyebrow shapers, hair mouse, cologne, and foot care brands. Enlist and try them out if you want to look better. Get rid of extra hair in your armpits and nostrils and get a good haircut. Basic good grooming tips like taking a shower, wearing clean clothes and polishing your shoes should be a daily routine. Number 2. Shape up. Weightlifting is good for a man if done in moderation. Good-looking women want a man who has a great masculine body. It is true that women are attracted to traits like nice personality. But a great physique will immediately capture the attention of a gorgeous woman. Just be careful not to overdo it, because a bulky body is far from attractive. Number 3. Be stylish. How to attract a girl of your dream. Dress like a wealthy and stylish man. Don't turn up looking like you're struggling in life and desperate for success. Gorgeous women love comfortable lifestyles. You don't need to be rich to look the part. Shop around for affordable clothes that make you look great. Getting fitting clothes with matching shoes, belt, and accessories is a good way to start. Blend the colors and get a good sense of fashion. Your friends can also help you polish on the appearance. Number 4. Pay attention to your posture. Good looks will help, but lacking confidence and bad postures will ruin your plan of attracting that girl. For the best results, develop a positive outlook about yourself and work on your posture. Spend time before a mirror and practice how to pose in different situations. Take a look at superstars, models, and confident persons around and learn. Always bear in mind a manly posture is good and enhances your masculinity. Number 5. Say the right things at the right time. Most men find it hard to express themselves in front of a beautiful woman. No woman will shun a compliment from a good-looking man. Charm her, make her feel special and appreciated. You will be surprised at how she'll warm up to you. One way to sound real is to use the right tone of voice. Make her believe you by practicing how to say things over and over again. Soon, you will have a way with words that will get the girl swooning at your every word. Number 6. Take charge. Take control of the relationship, an indispensable tip on how to attract a girl. A girl will expect her man to make most decisions in the relationship. Know exactly what to do, when to do it and how to do it. You should also be a gentleman. Pull a chair for her. Open the door and pour the drink. She will follow your cue if everything feels great. If you get close enough to take things to the next level, she'll expect you to take the lead. Number 7. Don't be obvious. Women love unpredictable men, so tease her with surprises. Excite her feelings with unexpected dates, movies, gifts, and phone calls. If she is used to getting a phone call on Friday for a date, send her flowers or show up and ask her out in person. Come up with new ideas for dates, things to do and places to visit. A weekend out of town once in a while is great. If you can afford it, take her on a trip around the country or even the world. If the relationship is ready to go a step further, organize a surprise engagement party. Number 8. Be spontaneous. Don't make all your moves on the first date. Be creative, spontaneous, and suave. Attractive women find it irresistible when they cannot guess your next move. Remember, she is beautiful and she knows it. After all, she is used to men throwing themselves at her. Be different, and have some sense of humor and style. In case you are rich or prominent, avoid being too flashy with your possession, achievements, and background. Number 9. Get a life. If you have a happy life, chances are that you will find happiness. Women want men who have an independent life of their own. Besides getting your dream woman, you should get other priorities in life done. Find something to do, whether it is in business, sports, or work. Have a passion and pursue it so that your life is not just around her. This is not only the way on how to attract a girl, but also a ways on how to grow the relationship afterwards. Number 10. Ask her. Women do not dwell on a relationship that has stagnated for too long. If she likes you, she expects you to take the lead on the next step and ask her for more. So, are you ready for marriage? Would you like to keep her for longer or forever? Go ahead and ask her, because if you don't, somebody else will. Have the guts to present your offer and hope that she takes it. If you play your cards well, you can be sure she will say yes. Thank you for watching, guys. If you don't have anything to for me, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. My latest update, follow me Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and information is below.